Canggu is this little town located in the southern coast of Bali. Or actually, it's not really a town, it's more of a village, but it is a weird little village. It's not your typical village out there. It's a village full of amazing beach bars, luxury gyms, and probably some of the best restaurants you have ever seen. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to have a freaking perfect day in Canggu. Or at least like my definition of a perfect day in Canggu. So I would start my perfect day in Canggu with a perfect cup of coffee. And here I sort of have two recommendations for you. Either if you're really into good coffee and you're more of a coffee snob and you just really want the best quality, go to BGS. BGS is like the best place for coffee in Canggu. It's like this cool little surf shop slash cafe. It's really well known among Canggu expats. But if you're more into like beach vibes and you want to, you know, look at the waves in the morning and the surfers, go to the beach, go to a beach shack and just get yourself a cup of coffee there. It's not gonna be as good as BGS, but I just think that having a cup of coffee with a beautiful view of the ocean is still worth it. After you had your morning coffee, sign up for a yoga class or a workout class. Bali is well known for its wellness culture, for its yoga retreats, amazing gyms. So I think working out, even if you're not really into it, or doing yoga, just taking care of yourself, taking care of your body, is a big part of Bali culture, and there are definitely amazing facilities in Canggu to do that. You can do a yoga sesh at the beach or a workout sesh at the gym, whatever you choose to do. I feel like working out and like moving your body or stretching your body in the morning will just really put you in a positive mindset, and it's just like a really nice way to start your day. Whenever you work out in the morning, you're just feeling more like happy and energized. By working out in the morning, you're gonna have a better day. And that is the gym right here. Breakfast slash brunch slash lunch is a big part of Canggu culture for sure. Canggu culture. You probably heard about amazing smoothie bowls, you probably heard about avotos, and all those things are very cliche, but they're also very good. The second thing we're gonna do is the most cliche thing you can do in Bali, but also one of the best things you can do in Bali. We're gonna get ourselves a lovely smoothie bowl because it is a very hot day today. Hot day today. I said it in a very weird day. Every day is a hot day in Bali, so whatever. And one thing that Canggu definitely has is plenty of incredible restaurants where you can get really nice food. So my number one recommendation for breakfast in Canggu would probably be the Shady Shak. I love the food and I love the location because you're kind of like overlooking this little like rice field. So I'm gonna go to the Shady Shak, which is one of the most popular vegan slash vegetarian restaurants here in Canggu, and I'm gonna get myself some breakfast because I didn't eat anything yet and I'm starving. Otherwise, I really like ZIN Cafe, I really like the Loft, and yeah, I mean, I think maybe I'll put a list of my favorite places to eat in Bali down in the description because there are just so many. I mean, Canggu, if there's like one thing you can say about Canggu is that it is one of the most amazing foodie slash restaurant places on earth, and I stand by that. Like, the food is just incredible. Okay, I should stop talking about food. Let's move on to the next point. Okay, so you've done your workout, you had your breakfast, and now we're approaching the midday. And midday in Bali is just really hot. So what I would do, there are two things that you could be doing. Either you can go shopping or you can chill by the pool, or you can do both. The thing about Canggu is obviously that it is a beach destination. It's a surf town. So it's not like there's any sightseeing that you can do in Canggu. Canggu is all about beaches, relaxing, having good food, working out, or surfing if you're into surfing. So that's why what I would do in the middle of the day in Bali, I would maybe walk around a little, do some shopping. Canggu has some amazing shops, mainly with great swimwear, and that's also what I did. I was looking for a new bikini and I did not leave disappointed. So shopping in Canggu is actually really good, especially, well, obviously if you're looking for swimwear or summer clothes. If you cannot find a perfect swimsuit at home, just like I couldn't, just wait until you get here and I can guarantee you that you will find something you'll like here. And then after walking around a little, you're probably gross and sweaty and tired because of the sun. So you can just chill by the pool. And you can get more coffee. That's what I do. Just coffee all day long. It is around 11 or 12, or I'm not sure. But I just got myself some coffee. And I'm just gonna chill by the pool right now. I feel like chilling by the pool is just like one of these things that you do here. Especially during the midday, it is so warm that like whatever you're gonna choose to do outside, you're not really gonna enjoy it that much because the sun is so strong.
Baby, why can't you sleep at
So I actually brought my journal with me that day to the pool, and I wrote down all the things that I'm grateful for. And I made this page in my journal that I called a positive page. And it's basically, the aim of this page is for me, whenever I'm feeling down or sad or whatever, I go back to that page and I read what I wrote that day when I felt really happy and positive, inspired. I mean, it's hard not to feel positive, happy and inspired when you like lying by the pool in Canggu. But yeah, whenever I'm feeling down, I sort of go back to that page and I remember that day when everything felt right. Okay, so you're done with the pool session and we're slowly approaching the time of the day when the sun is not that strong. What I would recommend you to do is to walk around a little and see some rice fields. So obviously Canggu is not the destination for the best rice fields in Bali. It's not, I know. But there are also some nice rice fields in Canggu. If you go like a little bit outside of the city, it's still really beautiful and green and lush. So just walk around, see some rice fields. I think it's just a nice thing to do. So obviously beach is a place that you can enjoy at any time of the day, but my personal favorite time to come to the beach is always around the sunset time. And it's a very popular thing to do in Bali. It's like, you know, a very normal thing to do, to just like go and watch sunset. It's really cool. I like it a lot. Pro tip for those of you who like walking and want to go for a beach walk. So when you're on the beach in Canggu, you're facing the ocean. If you want to go for a walk, go left in the direction of Seminyak, because I feel like that's where the beach is quite flat and there's a lot of space. Pure walking perfection. The sand is also very hard, so it's easy to walk. But if you're looking for something more quiet, if you just want to lay down or you want to do some yoga, you want to bring your journal to the beach, go right in the opposite direction of Seminyak. And that's where the beaches are way more quiet, and yeah, it's just a more peaceful beach experience. Wow, look at this. I literally have the whole beach for myself, beside that one lady and those two gentlemen. Next video, we're heading to Ubud. So if you're interested in Ubud, subscribe to my channel.